now the UMC-750 needs no introduction. It's been the best-selling 5-axis mill in its class going on 3 years now. And with so many shops using the capabilities of the 750, you'd expect there to be an increasing demand for a UMC with a larger work envelope. And who are we to say no to such a request? That's how we got to the UMC-1000 you see in front of you today. Now, you've got a 25-inch diameter platter to fill with even more work than before, and a generous 40 by 25 by 25-inch travel to give you the work envelope to reach every inch of the table. And there's even a spot for an additional vise for prepping those dovetails and other similar first op features. Fast rapids, feeds, and rotary moves means your 5-axis and 3+2 parts get done faster. At the heart of the machine is the Haas 8.1K inline drive 40 taper spindle, providing dependable, high-performance material removal. And if you'll be running high removal rate tools that need a lot of RPM, then click the checkbox to add a 12K or a 15K inline 40 taper. If long, high RPM tools are what you'll be using, then check out our brand new HSK 63A spindle. You'll get the benefit of clamping on both the taper and the face of the tool for great high-speed stiffness and stability in the cut. And if you want serious high-volume productivity, then stand back and clear out a little extra space on your shop floor, because the 8-station pallet pool that's available with the UMC-1000 is going to keep your spindle turning for hours at a time. Whether it's pure high-volume runs or high-mix, lower-volume machining you're after, the 8 stations on this new pallet pool will keep the parts you need served to the spindle when you need them. With a 200-pound payload and a 16-inch diameter by 21-inch tall work envelope, this fully integrated system is scheduled right from your familiar Haas control through an easy-to-understand interface. So if you've got lots of high-volume parts to make, or bunches of lower-volume ones, the UMC-1000 with the 8-station pallet pool will answer your productivity call.